I have important updates to go and talk to you about from Kamino, which has a new potential airdrop ecosystem, to Jupiter updates. So we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing is this very important airdrop NFT over here, over on Zora. The link will be down below. And we have it over here, the exclusive Kaira NFT drop on Zora. The user Kaira, which is the fourth largest SocialFi app on the Lens protocol, is releasing an exclusive NFT on Zora, mint free on any chain, and unlock the airdrop trail for Kaira plus Zora plus Lens. So I'm not the only one saying it. I will leave you the link down below. We can go and mint it as we see here. Base, Optimum, Arbitrum, let's go. How many would you suggest? Well, it is 0.0001 ETH, so it's approximately 20 cents. So if you can, the best would be to go and do about 11 of those. It would be the optimal choice. You can go and do one, you can go and do whatever you want. In my opinion, 10 or 11, the max mint, whatever you can do, it is the best way to go and do it. I have it in my account already, but I'm just gonna show you 28 cents per one. So if you go and mint 10, it is gonna be $2.80, which was what one NFT used to cost a couple of weeks ago. So very important to go and get it. We have 18 hours only left, as we see over here. 18 hours, 21 minutes, so make sure to go and grab it very, very fast. And talking about Owlto, very important to go and mention this one. They do have their new situation over here, the Olympic, so make sure to go and do it. And as we see over here, you have 1 day left. I will remind you as well tomorrow. But we got the bridge to Scroll, the bridge to Tycho, bridge to Arbitrum, bridge to Optimism. You have all this possibility to go and get yourself some points. These points will be, first of all, converted into the airdrop. These points we do not have a snapshot for this token. So the airdrop is still ongoing. There's no snapshot. You can still qualify. And they will also go towards the Owlto Olympic. So very important. You have, I believe, around 4,000 to 5,000 points to go and grab right now. So very, very important that you go and do it. It is a no-brainer, in my opinion, to go and utilize this app right here. We got the leaderboard, we got the points. Make sure that you go and grab it. You got also a cash giveaway for all of the points. So I will leave you the link down below. Following up, we have a very important update over here. Jupiter is releasing updates on a daily basis, and it is important to go and follow them. As for the airdrop, will be the season 2 for everybody who utilizes the platform. Now, what is the best way? Well, first of all, is to go and follow up all their updates, engage, and of course, very important, if you go over here, you have the governance, you have the possibility to vote on every single aspect of it. And I do take you daily videos on when there is a new also voting going on, because it is the most important update. It is the most important part for the airdrop. The other one is right here. All you gotta do to be eligible for the V2 airdrop, and I will leave you the link down below, and I would suggest you to go and do about 10 to 20 to 50 swaps every day if you can, on a single day-to-day basis, or every other day, or at least twice a week. And no, you're not gonna be counted as a bot. A bot does 1,000 trades per hour to be counted as a bot. All you gotta do, simply go and swap between Solana to USDC. In my opinion, the best way would be to go and swap Solana to Jupiter, as it is their token. And then you go and do Jupiter to, for example, you go USDC, USDT, etc., etc. You do the swaps, you create numbers of swaps, and you create volume, which is very, very important. And then you go and repeat the process until you want to do the max and you have everything in your wallet as you want. But go from Solana to Jupiter to USDC to USDT to one token to another Solana backed tokens, and you make so many fees that it is very, very good, and it is extremely low fees, and you make so many transactions, which is amazing. Following up, we have the introduction of our vision for the Kamino Land 2, and as well, if you didn't know, you could potentially have forgot that you have token in Kamino. They have yet gone and done the airdrop season 2. And I did have a little bit over here, which is potentially nothing. I did go and stake it. I have a 26.5% boost on the season 3, which doesn't look too bad, but I'm not gonna be farming it. However, if you are interested in Kamino, if you do like the protocol, if you used it before, you did like it, they will have, as we see here, a season 3 airdrop. So if you are milking it, make sure to go and milk it. I do believe it is gonna be actually quite a big airdrop, because not many, probably like 500 people are farming Kamino right now, as we see also here from the engagement. So I do believe the season 3, if you go and farm it a lot, it is going to be extremely easy to be at the top 1% in the standings. I am ranked 104,000, but I have like $1 in this protocol. So you understand that even if you have $1,000, you easily make it to the top 100, in my opinion. So make sure to go and do it. They have this land 2 over here, so they got a new update. They will have the vault layer, Kamino's new yield primitive, which, by the way, you can see everything over here, the borrowing and lending, providing liquidity. The borrow and lending could be the easiest option if you go and lend, for example, Solana and borrow BSOL or something like this to the Solana ecosystem, and then you go and do this way. Yes, it is risky. I'm no financial advisor. This would be my strategy. But you make sure that you know what you're doing when you borrow and lending. You can provide liquidity, which is potentially the easiest way to go and do it. As we see here, 7 days APY, 11%. We got the MSOL, Digital Soul, whichever one you want to do it. So the season 3 will happen, and it is going to be, in my opinion, so much underfarmed that it is going to be a huge allocation for single people. So very important to go and do it. Next up, we have the Forest Expedition launch today. A forest goes fully on chain. Today marks an unprecedented achievement. The Mint Forest is now fully on chain. So if you haven't done it, free to earn airdrop, make sure to go and join it. You have 2 possibilities to join. This one, which is the Mint Forest that you go and grow. You go and grow your trees by these points that you get on a daily basis, inviting people. So if you do wish to support me, the link will be down below. As well as here, it does says the voice airdrop. And here is another thing, free, completely free to go and join, completely free for everybody to go and join. Make sure that you are part of it. We got 471 people within my community. So if you wish to join, let's go to 500. And there are a few simple quests like bridging, stable coins to mint, hold an active green ID, which by the way, it is free. It is this one over here. You got the NFT to minting, etc. So there are a few different tasks which are very, very basics to go and do. And this airdrop is set to be one of the most anticipated chain airdrop out there. So if you wish, make sure to go and do it. Make sure to go and participate because it could be very, very lucrative. Next up, we do have a little bit of a speculation side of things over on Scroll. Forgive me if I go and do this, but it is extremely hot right here. Could the Scroll airdrop be upon us? Finally, could we have the airdrop? Well, there is a few things to go and keep in consideration. As an example, it could be the badge season 2, but if you do look at these images, I do not believe it is going to be the airdrop. It is not going to be the Scroll airdrop. As of right now, it's not going to be announced, the airdrop, the TGE, whatever. This, in my opinion, it does look, and potentially people have noticed it as well over here. By the way, do not fall for any of these scams. Do not do it. It does look like a wormhole integration with the Solana ecosystem. This is the same effect that Wormhole used for their airdrop. So it either means an integration. I do not think it's going to mean an airdrop as of right now. I think it's another integration that they're trying to hype up, getting the community a little bit gossiping about, getting some views, likes, and retweets, which is normal. It could be the airdrop, but in my opinion, probably not. So make sure to go and complete all your canvas. We talked about it in yesterday's video. Make sure to go and complete everything, sign up, be ready to do all of this. Next up, we have an upcoming airdrop for the Cosmos ecosystem, for whoever still utilizes the Cosmos ecosystem, because not many people do. Here we got that if you complete certain on-chain activities, you will be rewarded this Corn airdrop. And what are these eligibility highlights? Well, we got the Babylon stacking testnet 3 and 4, Thorchain swapped $100+ of native BTC or use Savers LP on the Thorchain before July 12th. Marker and Spark held at least 0.01 SDAI for 3 months. Ethena staked for SUSDE. EtherFi held 0.01 plus ETH. Or Arbitrum bridge from mainnet using the native bridge before July 12, 2024. So I do believe that a lot of people will be eligible for the Arbitrum bridging for the mainnet, from the mainnet. So if you bridge from Arbitrum to anything, which we have done it, we've done it with Jupiter, we've done it with dBridge, we've done it with Owlto, we've done it with many other different protocols, you will be eligible. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. I will see you all in tomorrow's one. See ya. Ciao, ciao.